Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful and easy to make side dish, and we're going to make this with bhindi, which is okra or lady's finger. This is called Bhindi Do Pyaza, and it's a combination of a lady's finger and onions. It tastes fabulous. So why wait, let's get started and check it out. To a pan, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of oil. First I'm going to stir fry the onion wedges. So I've taken the wedges of 1 large onion. So just stir fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. You don't have to brown them. So once the onions have just slightly changed color, turn off the stove, transfer them to a bowl and keep it aside. To the same pan, I'm adding about 3 teaspoons of oil. So now I'm going to just stir fry the lady's finger, that is bhindi. For this recipe, I've taken 300 grams of nice fresh and tender lady's finger. Stir fry the bhindi for about 5 minutes on medium flame. You don't have to brown it too much. Once you've stir fried the lady's finger, just transfer it to a plate and keep it aside. To the same pan, add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the pan is heated, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Just add about 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida powder. Next, I'm adding 1 large onion that's been finely chopped. Add 3 green chilies cut up. Saute the onions till they turn to a nice golden color. So you can see the onions have turned to a lovely golden color. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. So give that a quick mix, and once the raw smell goes, I'm adding the puree of 2 large tomatoes. Keeping the flame on medium, cook the tomato puree. After about 2 minutes, I'm adding all the spice powders. Just add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder. So just mix everything well. Just add about 1/4 cup of water. So cook this for about 5 minutes till all that raw smell goes. Once the oil starts separating, you can add the bhindi pieces. So just mix the vegetable along with the masala. So just gently mix it, you don't want to over mix. Close the pan and let this cook on medium-low flame for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you can open the pan and just give this a nice mix. At this point, I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. So just mix that in gently. Now you need to maintain the flame on low after this point. So finally, I'm adding about 1/2 teaspoon of Amchur powder. This is going to give you a nice mild tanginess. Finally, I'm adding the stir-fried onion wedges. So mix the onions along with the remaining masala. So as you can see, this is a very simple and easy to make dish. The flavors are just fabulous. So I'm going to just keep the flame on low and let this just cook for another 3 minutes. Bhindi Do Pyaza recipe is done. You can see it looks fabulous. Make sure you serve this dish nice and hot. It's a very nice bhindi sabji or side dish that you can enjoy with any main course. You can have it with roti, you can have it with chapatis and even rice. Well, it's time to taste the simple yet delicious Bhindi Do Pyaza. So you can see the ingredients are pretty simple and straightforward. Today I'm serving it with some nice hot fulkas. So the bhindi is cooked perfectly. Wow. incredible flavors. I can't stop eating. Well, the flavors were amazing. I really enjoyed it. So for all the bindi lovers, that is the ladies finger lovers, this is a great recipe that you guys should try. This is great for fulkas and rotis, or you can even have it with some hot steaming rice. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.